Good afternoon. My name is Loana Gonzalez, and this is my informative speech for speech class 1315B30. And I will be talking about how to become an architect. The title architect is a required term, which means that only those who have become licensed professionals may legally call themselves an architect, according to the Texas Board of Architectural Examiners. This quote basically sums up all that it takes to become an architect, which is time, patience, and of course, preparation. For instance, I'm currently studying my third year of Texas Tech School of Architecture. But having just an education is not enough. There are several steps to take when you're considering getting an official licensure of this field. I call these steps the 3 E's. The first E that I will talk about is education. In my case, I attended a STEM high school, and I was able to take an engineering architecture course. However, most architecture schooling starts in college, and you also need to make sure that you obtain a professional degree in the field. For example, once you obtain your bachelor's degree, depending on your college program, many of you will also get the professional graduate degree as well. Additionally, this is considered a plus when you're ready to apply for firm jobs. Another thing that you should also strongly consider is applying for scholarships. The Texas Architecture Foundation, or TAF, is for all architecture schools and is open for all grade level students who want to apply. The next topic I will talk about is experience. Now, I mentioned in the beginning that having an education is not enough. That is because it is very important to also have the second E, which is experience. After finishing school, your next step is gaining professional experience through the Architectural Experience Program, or AXP. Through the AXP, you will learn about daily realities of architectural experiences. You will also learn how to acquire comprehensive experience to basic practice areas, develop professional judgment, and refining your career goals. Furthermore, the AXP includes 96 tasks that are typically performed in 6 performance areas. These 6 areas are practice management, project management, programming and analyzing, project planning and design, project development, and documentation, and lastly, construction and evaluation. To sum it all up for you, you will learn how to manage an architecture firm, how to deliver projects, research and evaluate client requirement, lay out the building design, and lastly, get involved with construction administration and post-construction phase of the project. All these tasks, once done, should turn up to a required amount of hours, which is 3,740 hours. Now I know that may sound daunting, but that is not where you finish. Once you have completed the intensive program, you'll be required to take the R exam. Now the last E that I will be talking about is exams. The last E, you guessed it, is exams. The R exam, or Architecture Registration Examination, consists of the divisions that I went over, and if passed, you're eligible to acquire your official license. Once you've acquired your license, however, and this is very, very important, you need to make sure to protect it. What I mean by this is you need to renew your registration to a state licensing agency every year, and if required, also complete additional memberships or certifications. Now, that being all said, I personally, if you can of course, Begin your architecture journey while still in college. For instance, if there are opportunities to do local based projects or even student internships, I strongly recommend you take them. It would also make the transition a lot easier once you're finished from your education and start actually working for a firm. Thank you.